Hello Janae, it's Zurab here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2017 Lexus RX 350. This is the premium package, has 67,000 kilometers on it. We're selling it for 42,888 plus HST and licensing. It's a dark gray, kind of bronze gray in color. Inside, it's a black interior. Of course, it has a heated and cooling seats, full power option, memory seats, sunroof. It's a wooden steering, has a heated steering as well. The vehicle is in absolutely great condition. It's fully detailed. It has the sunshades on the back windows here. Of course, it has the power lift gate. All new brakes all around. All four of them are brand new ones. All season tires. Press and hold it. It should open the LED lights in signal lights as well. Floor mats. This is the cover for the trunk. Power lift gate. Alloy rims. The car is nice. I drove it and it's been fully certified already. All the LED lights in the front as well. It does have the fog lights. These are LED and another fog lights in the corner lights. They call it kind of lights on the sides. I'm gonna go and fire it up. For here's the VIN number, just in case if you need to check the quotes for the insurance. Here we go. Has GPS, huge screen on it. Very clean and out. Beautiful panels. Here are the heated and cooling seats. I'm not sure if it's visible. Auto hold. This is the parking brake. That's the GPS. Of course, it has the rear camera as well. Maps. This is the sport mode, eco mode, 4x4 lock, traction control. You name it and it has it. It's a fully loaded heated steering wheel is right here. That's the mileage. No codes, no lights. You close the window. I'll fasten the seat belt. Put the emergency brake, and as you see, it's all good to go. These are the blind spot assistance, some pre-collision warning systems. 67,321 kilometers, and auto climate control, which is just perfect. Push button, push start. I'm not sure how many keys we have, but at least one for sure. If you have any questions regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.